you can see over at the Royal Caribbean, to get people into town from them, they have to use the lifeboats and tender people in from the ship, all because of that rock slide. You can see that big gouge that's out of the mountain there. That big old rock slide came down, was hitting the dock over there, so it's unsafe to unload people over there. So they now have to do it by tinder boat, and they're using the lifeboats to tinder people. Ready for today, Cheryl? And there's that big old smile she still has.
Don't put me on the spot.
She's been smiling this whole trip, guys. If anything, and you know Cheryl automatically smiles, but this one has been beaming.
I'm having a good time.
This includes electronic cigarettes and vaporizers. So if we do see you smoking, we'll just have to assume that you caught fire, and we will take all the necessary precautions that we see fit to put you out. Okay, that does it for my safety announcement here. On a lighter note, my name is Tyler. I'm going to be the tour guide today. I'm sitting in the middle of the train where everyone can hear the sound of my beautiful voice. Jefferson Sophie Smith, the town conman, and Frank Reed, the town hero. Both men got in a gunfight on July 8th, 1898, and Sophie was lucky because he died to a rifle shot in the heart, and he died instantly. I tell you that he was lucky because Frank wasn't as lucky. Frank died in agonizing 12 days later after a rifle shot to the groin. I know it sounds very painful, and a lot of people in Skagway today like to joke and say that's the day that poor old Frank lost his golden nuggets. But he was given the largest headstone in the cemetery. It reads, "Here lies Frank Reed. He gave his life for the honor of Skagway."
Here we are, right on the border of Canada and the United States.
Everybody just think across the border, you're across, run